Hello, class. Instructor Bing is coming to you from deep inside the Bing's / Carl Albert / Quentin headquarters in Southeast Oklahoma. Here in Southeast Oklahoma. Hope you all are doing well and hope you have settled into the class smoothly, and you kind of see how it's structured and how it's going to move along, and you've just been able to transition into that real smoothly. I wanted to share with you an announcement about a new element I'm going to be adding to the class, starting with you all. So I'm really excited about this. I just feel like it's an epiphany that's brilliant, and I think it's going to be both educational and entertaining. And towards the end of the class, I might ask you to give me your feedback on it. But before I share with you what that is, I wanted to show you that I had gotten my materials in today, actually yesterday, from traveloklahoma.com. I ordered some materials. Every time I have a new geography class, I order more materials, free materials. And I'm excited about this little guy here, the official Oklahoma US 66 passport. This is my passport for many short road trips in Oklahoma. So now one of my goals is to travel to all of the spots in this little passport that are on Route 66. That is the Route 66 portion that's in Oklahoma. So it's got a place in there where you can like visit the Oklahoma State Capitol and put your stamp there. So I'm excited about that. Hope you got your materials in, or you got that website bookmark so you can download certain materials that we're going to be using during the class. But anyway, let me get to my great new idea, which is going to start tomorrow. This is brilliant on many levels. I'm hoping it'll be, again, educational as well as enjoyable and entertaining. But I'm also excited because it's going to help me to connect weekly with you via the Zoom, and just add that much more connection between me and you that you normally don't get in an online course. So here's my idea. Starting tomorrow, I am going to post a short video, which I will then do every week, at least 3 of the weeks out of the 4 weeks per module. And I will share a brief discussion about a specific concept in each chapter. So tomorrow, I'm going to discuss a concept from chapter 1. Next week, chapter 2. And then the following week after that, chapter 3, which will be the last week in module 1 leading up to the test. What I'm going to do with those little mini lectures, because it's not really going to be a lecture, it's just going to be more of a talking about a concept. Excuse me. I am going to give you 2 options with these short little videos. I always put bonus on my tests. So what I'm going to do with the 3 little mini videos, each module, is use them as the bonus questions on the test. So essentially, what you can do, and I'll give instructions, is after I give my little mini talk tomorrow about the subject from chapter 1, I'll say, okay, there will be a bonus about this on the test worth 2 points. And all you'll have to do is this. So if you guys do the math, there'll be 3 bonus questions coming from the 3 mini videos, each worth 2 points each, for a total of 6 bonus points. You know what? Let's make it 2.5 points for a total of 7.5 bonus points. Here's the second option. And this is what I'm curious to see if any of you choose to do this option. Instead of doing it, instead of watching the videos and engaging in the material to answer 3 bonus questions or 1 bonus question, whatever you choose to do, you can take the 3 concepts or topics that I bring up in the mini videos for each module, and per my instructions, so in the video I'll say, okay, if you want to do the second option for the final project, I'll explain it. You need to do this, this, and this. Yes, that's what the second option is. If you choose the second option and you do it for all of the 12 mini videos, because there'll be 3 videos per module, because there's 12 chapters. We're covering 3 chapters per module. There's 4 modules, so there'll be 12 mini videos. If you choose to do this second option as a final project, you can do this. And if you do it, you can then do that in place of the final test. Okay? Now, the final test is not comprehensive. It's just going to be basically module 4 test over chapters 10, 11, and 12. But if you have other courses, other finals, and you have to study for them, and they're not going to, and they probably won't be open book like my tests, you could do this final project and be working on it throughout the semester. And then when it comes time to module 4, you'll just have to do the last 3 chapters. You can do it during module 4, and you can turn it in even before the end of the module. And that will be your final project. And that would take the place of the final exam. And so I do have to tell you, though, that I'll be asking a little bit more of you concerning the topics that I will discuss in the videos than I'm going to ask for you on the bonus questions on the test. Most likely, I'm going to ask you to basically do a 2/3 to 1 page brief on each of the topics so that you will turn in an 8 to 12 page final project. But again, I am going to lay out the instructions. I've already gotten mine. I'm going to be having you watching some videos, listening to some podcasts, and then write your brief about that subject using the concept that I'm going to highlight from the textbook and the relevant material with the extra material that I give you, whether it's a podcast or a video or a song or an article. So what this will be is you can work on this final project starting this week all the way up through the end of the semester and have it done and turn it in before finals week, and you don't have to take the final test. So anyway, I will be posting the first mini video tomorrow about a concept in chapter 1 with all the instructions. And that includes whether you do the option 1 and do them as bonus answers on the tests, or whether you do option 2 and decide to do a final project. And in this way, I am connecting with you every week through video with something from each chapter, and it gives you a little bit more to engage in during the module. For those of you that are go-getters and you get everything done early, this will give you a little bit more if you choose to do it. You don't have to do the bonus, and you don't have to do the final project. You can just keep doing what you're doing and take the final test. But anyway, I'm excited about it. And again, this is the first class I've ever done this for. So keep in mind that I'll be asking you for your opinion on this towards the end of the semester. Have a great evening. Stay warm. It's cold out there tonight and going to get really cold tomorrow. Tomorrow would be Thursday, January 20th. So until the next video, which will be tomorrow, have a great evening, and I'll talk with you later. Bye-bye.